In this video, I will be showing you how to get the Trickster voice filter in TikTok. The filters which most users first started using with the app's October 2022 update twist your voice in a variety of incredibly entertaining ways. Users of TikTok have made Trickster a steadfast favorite, but how do you create the effect? I'm going to show you how to use this Trickster filter. But this filter was already removed in TikTok, so all you have to do is to go to your CapCut application, click this one, and then here, all you have to do is to import a video from your gallery. Let's just say this one. And then once done, you can now add some text. So let's just say I'm going to type in this video a very short text, but everything is up to you. This is just a tutorial. So once done, all you have to do is to tap your voice here and then select text to speech, go to English, and then kindly look for Trickster filter. Tap this one and you can see here generating text to speech. So this is what you can hear now.
In this video.
So that's how easy it is. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.